our hometown, Cebu. The Fort San Center. Today we're gonna explore this place to ask some people what do they know about our national heroes, his history, his family, and about his life. Come, join us.
Just sit back.
Relax and learn. Now we're going to interview one of the persons here at the Fort Santiago. Come, join us. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What do you know? Do you know our national hero?
Our national hero in the Philippines is the first Rizal.
Yeah.
Do you know more about Dr. Jose Rizal?
Dr. Jose Rizal, in my class, his full name is Jose Patasio Rizal.
Thank you so much, sir, for that.
That's a group of students. Come.
Serious.
Hi guys.
Can we ask you something?
Yes.
Do you know about the family of Rizal?
Yes, he is the seventh child of his family. He one brother and 9 sisters. He is the first one to use the family name Rizal.
Dr. Jose Rizal, the son of Francisco Mercado and Chodora Alonso Quintos Rialon.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks for that.
What's your problem?
About his national hero,
I think si Dr. Rizal.
And gusto mo yung naibawa naman tayo sa story. Sa kamay ng sir.
Hindi mo siya natulong sa ninyo. Ba't hindi siya gabag-gabag sa ato? Lahi ka ng dabong siya o gano'n sa food. Kaya presyon, yan gamit sa iyang mga pan. Ay, katawa na ka, di ka mga atak. Hindi nakalimot ko.
Sige, thank you na lang na yung God.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, guys. Can we ask you something? What do you know anything? Do you know anything about Rizal's life?
Yes, actually, he's our national hero. And as far as I know, he traveled abroad and he went to various countries like Spain, Germany, France, USA, and many more countries.
Lovers of Rizal, perhaps, sir?
Yes, actually, Rizal is in lovers. First is Black Map, then Bruno Rivera, then just open bracket he married now.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Can I ask you something about Dr. Jose Rizal?
Yes.
Matigas ako.
Kaya ba mo about, kita gamay na about Rizal?
Info to Dr. Rizal.
Oo, daw.
About sa pamilya niya.
Family.
Na siya isa ka anak. Di mo na nianak? Di mo na nianak? Estudyante yung asawa.
Sabi mo to. Hindi ko daw gusto ko. Wala ko kayo may klase.
Ay, pamilya niyo, anong national hero man si Rizal? Sige, thank you kayo sa interview.
Pare, doon tayo. Ano yung natin si ate? Ate, pwede mo ba magtanong?
Ano yun?
Anong nalalaman mo kay Jose Rizal?
Base sa aking nalalaman tungkol kay Jose Rizal,
Si Jose Rizal ay isang bayani kung saan ipinagtanggol niya ang ating bansa at nagiging bayani siya. Yun lamang.
Oh, ang galing si ate ah.
Siyempre, nasa kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Correct? Kung siya nilakot sa mga katsila ay tungkol sa religion. Si Dr. Jerry Perita dili siya Katoliko. In fact, Dr. Perita sa gifiring squad ikuan sa adios patria. Estudyante mo mo sa meaning ano?
Traitor to traitor.
Ha?
Traitor to traitor.
Sinagsina mo na adios patria sagrada. My beloved country.
Ay.
Yeah. Si Dr. Teresa Dunay Wakaruya. Hoy, happy Valentine's sa inyo.
Happy Valentine's, sir.
Ang iyang uyab, ang iyong na isa man. Ang uyab niya si Juan Josephine Brock Gadwa Pilipinas.
Junior Rivera?
Ikaw daw ni Maria. Mga guwapa maganda. Kung si Dr. Teresa, parehan ako. Nga naman eh. Dili Katolik ko.
Sweet lover.
Ay malon. So, wako'y Paris. Wako'y bayan. Wako'y maganhagan. Ana, pero kamo mga kabataan, so, daghang salamat.
Thank you, sir. Salamat, sir.
And gentlemen, salamat.
Thank you.
Salamat sa inyo.